press the bell icon and never miss any update from BSSJ.
Please enable CC or closed captions.
Hello friends, my name is Bigger Smile and welcome to Bigger Smile SJ. Here is a new video in my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can get Marimba ringtone for free. For my method you need an Android device. First you have to download an app from Play Store. Link in the description. As well as you can directly find on Play Store. Download it. After the download and install, open it. In app you can find lot of diff categories of ringtone. Marimba at the first place. Select whichever you need. After selecting at bottom set ringtone, give it storage permission. And you have to allow settings modify permission. You only have to do it for first time. Now again set ringtone. Where you want to set, in my case I am setting as a default ringtone. Here you can see that it's set as a ringtone. For any problem meet me at my Facebook page. This is for now. For more hacking and tutorial videos subscribe my channel. I am Bigger Smile and I am signing off. Bye.
Destruction.